Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we're going to make smoked peach and fermented serrano pepper hot sauce. Start with 2 peaches and 2 green peppers halved and place them on a smoker for about 2 hours. Now that those are smoked, we are going to peel the skins off the peaches. Now we're using green peppers like this to help keep the green color of the hot sauce, and when you smoke green peppers, they don't get a whole lot of color on their skin, so we are going to use a torch to just sort of blister, blacken, and bubble their skin to make it easier to peel off and also to add a little bit more of that roasted pepper flavor. While I'm peeling those skins off, I should let you know that on my counter I have had fermenting for about the past 5 days, a mason jar full of sliced serrano peppers. Simply place your sliced serrano peppers into a wide-mouth mason jar and cover with a solution of water and sea salt. Then cover loosely and allow to sit on your counter to ferment for up to 5 days or until they have reached your desired taste and texture. We are going to add our serrano peppers, brine included, into our food processor. Then we are going to add 2 halves of our sliced green pepper, followed by our 2 smoked peaches. Then we are going to blend on high until fully combined and give it a taste. This turned out a lot sweeter than I intended it to and not as spicy. Somehow during the fermenting process, the serranos lost a lot of their heat. I think next time I will leave the seeds in it. So we decided this has pretty much ended up like a fermented serrano and smoked peach salsa verde. And I have to tell you, even though it's not very hot, it is by far one of the best green salsas I have ever tasted. This is absolutely delicious. You have got to try it. Who knew smoked peaches could make such a difference? Just, oh, wow, heavenly. If you like this video or even learned something, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button because we all know you want to, and feel free, or rather please, join us next time on Cooking on a Dime.